Hi all, a very good afternoon to all. Myself Ashutosh Vijay Kumar Patil, and today I am here going to give a speech on career challenges for youth in India and its remedies. Today I am going to speak about the youth I would like to tell you that youths are the building blocks of the future, and it is important to find the ways in which we can bring the youth in the mainstream. Therefore, today's youth further they need to realize what are their situations and what are their great responsibilities about their career challenges, etc. Youth councils are a great way to begin involving in both the law marks. The youth today has been widely explained as outclassed because they do not consider themselves as they are too young and they should be pampered and they are not enough to carry the responsibilities. Means today's youth do not want to consider any of the responsibilities on their shoulders. Problems are the sign that there is a hope for a better tomorrow. The pace at which the world is being such a drastic change. According to 2018 and 2019, both the ways of work, that is the modern work and the modern work and the traditional work, between the both ways of work, the youth is grinding. The youth is being getting confused about what to do, whether should we participate in that, if we participate what should we do, and if we fail then what will be there. So these are the main three problems today I will be explaining about the youth. Firstly is the unemployment, that is underemployment. Secondly is the depression that we all have, and third is the crucial career choices. Let's begin. First is the unemployment. Unemployment, according to 2018 and 2019, among 30% of the youth is being unemployed, that is underemployed. When we call unemployed, that means the unemployment can be called as if a person is not educated and not also involved. This youth are nowadays the youth are not included in any educational sectors or in any trainings. With the saturation of organized sector, finding a job in any field is become very hard day by day. Competitions are growing up, just pick up. Next, Nextly, today's youth look at just the financial problems, that I mean to say that financial income of the company, nothing else. Underemployed youth called as a lost generation. The reason is that they can't be able to build up their skills and experience. The solution on unemployment is that the efforts and courages is not enough. The direction should be guided by elders also. Imagine a situation, you are walking through a road and you don't know what's your destination, and nor you know that where the road takes you. Between the both mindset, you should be guided by a direction. If the direction is not there, you will be at a stagnant stage. Otherwise, if there is a direction and you know that what's your goal setting, then you will be keeping a footstep ahead. Secondly, goes to the depression. We all know that what's a depression. From the small kids to the large ones, we all are depressed. Depression is yet overlooked under the youth. Today's youth does not realize that if they are being such a depressed, what are the lack of knowledge, lack of thinking, and they affect on their mental health. Low self-esteem, that is the low self-confidence. If there is a confidence in a one person, he will be succeed. If there is low self-esteem, he will say that I'm fail, I will be failure. So what should I do the next? Therefore, the low self-esteem is the big problem in the depressed. Nextly, to overcome this depression, just focus on yourself, focus on your studies, just focus on what you are trying to do or what you are going to be. Be gentle, acknowledge yourself, trust your guts, and explore more. The last and the best is the crucial career choices. The crucial career choices. What does mean by the career choices? Indian youth, not only the youth, each and every people in India is being depend upon the technology with a variety of choices for their career challenges. Most of the youth face problems such as information asymmetry. Most youth feel feel such a realistic goal setting that they do not have a particular goal, though this leads to the unemployment. That means no career, no jobs. Government NGOs should provide the solution on this is the government and the NGOs should provide the raise awareness, or they should raise awareness about the career counseling, and a great idea to be our hosts sessions with those pursuing and well established in certain fields. I end my speech here. Thank you.